Our instructors are awesome here. They, like I said, they keep you engaged. Having all this equipment here is great because then you don't have to just go by a picture or a textbook. Everybody's been great and they help you anytime they can. They pull you in, make you feel welcome, make you feel like, I want to teach you this. And that matters. Once I leave here, I think the opportunities are endless for me. That's another reason why I chose this, is because I can go anywhere.
Each and every class, we focus on putting a student through enough training in each and every one of the positions so that if a student were to be handed a certification opportunity, they have the skill set to pass that certification test and begin their employment.
Most of our students are trained to know enough knowledge that they can take the test confidently. If you go through our school, usually within 5 days of your graduation, you're taking the state test. So as soon as you get your test completed and the results go to Harrisburg and they send your license to you, you can start applying, and/or in some cases, some people have what they call a pre-hire. They start to work right away once they get the license.
Allstate really cares about the students, so they really do work with the students on their schedule. It's not just, well, this is the school, this is the hours we're open, if you can't do it, leave. It's not like that here. They care about everybody who walks through that door, whether you're just getting a tour or you're actually signing up.
People can come here with a bumpy past, a criminal history, and they're able to make a solid living and take care of their families. Employers are here every day for a reason, because they want our graduates to work for them.